When comparing HostGator versus InMotion hosting for performance, the first thing you'll want to know is which one delivers better speed, uptime, and overall reliability. You're probably wondering which one you should trust with your website, and I'll make sure to break it down so you get the full picture. Starting off, let's talk speed. HostGator, with its shared hosting, offers decent speeds, but can struggle when websites get too busy. It uses solid-state drives in its higher-tier plans, which helps a lot, but performance drops when more traffic is added, especially on shared plans. InMotion hosting, on the other hand, gives you faster speeds overall, with their SSDs being standard across the board, even on their shared hosting plans. This could make a big difference for sites with growing traffic or those requiring a more stable hosting environment. Next thing is uptime. HostGator guarantees 99.9% uptime, but real-world testing shows that it can dip below that on occasion, especially during peak usage times. InMotion hosting also claims 99.9% uptime, and their performance typically matches this guarantee, consistently maintaining a solid record with minimal downtime, especially with their VPS and dedicated plans. Now, let's move on to support. HostGator's support is hit or miss, with long wait times at times. They do offer 24/7 support, but many users report issues with ticket response time. InMotion hosting offers 24/7 support as well, but there's a noticeable difference in how they handle technical issues. Their support is generally considered more knowledgeable, with quicker response times and more personalized service. The next thing to consider is pricing. HostGator offers some really affordable entry-level plans, but you get what you pay for. Performance can lag in those basic shared hosting plans, and you might be forced to upgrade faster than you'd like. InMotion's pricing is higher, but it includes more features like SSD storage and more resources in their base plans, making it a better long-term investment, especially for websites that are expected to grow. Moving on, scalability is another big factor. HostGator does offer some decent scalability options, but their most affordable plans are capped, meaning if your website outgrows them, you'll need to make a more significant leap to a higher tier plan. InMotion hosting does a better job with scalability, especially with their VPS and dedicated hosting options, which make it easier to scale your resources as your site grows, with fewer disruptions along the way. Now, to wrap it up, both HostGator and InMotion hosting have their strengths. HostGator is great for beginners on a budget, but if you're looking for better long-term performance and more reliable service, especially for growing sites, InMotion hosting stands out. However, after testing both, I found a hosting provider that offers even better performance and a smoother experience overall. If you're looking for something that delivers better speed, uptime, and scalability, take advantage of the free trial by clicking the first link in the description. By using our link, you'll get access to exclusive benefits that aren't available to the general public. Make sure to check it out before making a decision on which hosting service is right for you.